If your Windows PC is starting to feel a little sluggish, one built-in tool that can help is Disk Cleanup. Disk Cleanup is a free utility included with Windows that removes temporary files and other unnecessary data that builds up over time. Things like temporary internet files, Windows Update leftovers, recycle bin contents, and other system files can take up gigabytes of storage without you even realizing it. To use it, simply click the Start menu, type Disk Cleanup, and open the app. Select the drive you want to clean, usually this is your C drive, and Windows will scan for files that can be safely removed. You'll then see a list of file types. Tick the items you want to remove. If you want to free up even more space, click Clean Up System Files. This will perform another in-depth scan and include things like old Windows Updates files and previous installation files, which can often reclaim several gigabytes of storage. Once you're happy with your selections, click OK, then delete files, and Windows will do the rest. Disk Cleanup is especially handy if you're running low on disk space, preparing a computer for an upgrade, or just giving your PC a bit of a tidy up. While it won't magically make an old computer fast again, freeing up storage can help Windows run more efficiently, particularly if your drive is nearly full. It's a quick, safe, and easy maintenance task that's worth doing every so often to keep your PC running at its best.